Assalamu alaikum class 5 students. I hope you are all will be fine. Open your science books page number 20. Today we are starting true false. Let's recall. Write T for true and F for false statement. First one is carbohydrates and fats give energy to our body. This statement is true. Write T in the front box of first statement. Calcium makes our bones and teeth weak. This statement is also true. Write T in the front box of second statement. Roughage is the undigested part of the animal food. This statement is false, so write F in the front box of third statement. Eggs and meat are source of proteins. This statement is true, so write T in the front box of fourth statement. Our body does not need water and roughage. This statement is false, so write F in the front box of fifth statement. Next topic is diseases. A disease is an abnormal condition in which our body does not function properly. एक ऐसी condition जिसमें हमारी body proper function नहीं perform कर सकती. Diseases can occur due to lack of any nutrient in our diet. They may also occur due to germs. There are two types of diseases, non-communicable and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. The diseases that do not pass from one person to another are called non-communicable diseases. ऐसी diseases जो एक person से दूसरे person में नहीं फैलती नहीं जाती उनको हम non-communicable diseases कहते हैं. Some non-communicable diseases are caused due to the lack of particular vitamins and minerals in the body. Such diseases are called deficiency diseases. Some deficiency diseases are shown in the figure below. First one is scurvy, second one is rickets, and third one is goiter. Non-communicable diseases are related to improper eating habits. For example, a person whose diet is deficient in vitamin D may suffer from rickets. एक ऐसा पर्सन जिसकी बॉडी में विटामिन डी की कमी होती है उसको रिकेट्स हो जाती है, उसकी टांगें ऐसे टेढ़ी हो जाती हैं. Cigarette smoking and chewing of tobacco also lead to harmful non-communicable diseases like cancer. Some deficiency diseases and their symptoms are given in the table below. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A and its symptoms are person not able to see in the dim light. Vitamin A is rich in green leafy vegetables, carrots, papaya, mango, milk and egg yolk. Beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. Its symptoms are person with weak muscles and nerves get cramps. Vitamin B1 is rich in unpolished rice, cereals, milk, peas and meat. Scurvy is caused by vitamin C, deficiency of vitamin C, and its symptoms are bleeding of gums and swelling of joints. Vitamin C is rich in apple, orange, lemon, tobacco and other citrus fruits. Rickets is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D and its symptoms are soft bones and bow legs. Vitamin D is rich in the milk and fish. Sunlight helps our body to make vitamin D. Goiter is caused by the deficiency of iodine. Its symptoms are swelling of gland in the neck region. Iodine is rich in iodized salt and seafoods. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of iron and its symptoms are person gets tired easily and looks pale. Iron is rich in the spinach, brinjal, jaggery apple, guava and meat. Next, communicable diseases. The diseases that can spread from one person to another. वो diseases जो एक person से दूसरे person में spread हो जाती हैं, फैल सकती हैं, उनको हम communicable diseases कहते हैं. Communicable diseases are caused by the germs. Some of the communicable diseases caused by bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi are listed below. Diseases caused by bacteria are plague, tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia and cholera. Diseases caused by virus are common cold, polio, measles, chickenpox, flu and AIDS. Diseases caused by protozoa are malaria, kala-azar, and amoebic dysentery. Diseases caused by fungi are infections of skin and athlete's foot. This is your today's work, and you have to read these topics carefully.